For the past 11 years, the Northwest Crops and Soils team from the University of Vermont Extension has been working with farmers to conduct field research on a number of crops, including small grains, oilseed, forages, and hops. All of this work is to encourage environmentally friendly practices while helping farmers produce a good living from the land.
Because we're at a land-grant university, we are committed to making research results both publicly available and accessible to all farms. We're excited to take advantage of the 2014 Farm Bill Amendment that allows academic institutions like UVM to legally develop research programs to evaluate industrial hemp as a commercial crop. We have obtained all the necessary permits to obtain seed stock to begin our research during the 2016 growing season, so we're ready to hit the ground running. There is a lot of privately owned work being done to commoditize hemp, but this approach likely will not benefit small farms in places like Vermont. Without public research, our concern is that these small farms will be left behind and won't have the opportunities they deserve to grow this crop. Farmers in this region already face huge challenges from unpredictable weather, low commodity prices, and increasing pest and disease pressure. Industrial hemp has the potential to diversify their production and increase economic resiliency. As you know, industrial hemp is a non-psychoactive plant that can be used to make highly nutritious foods, fabric, paper, cosmetics, rope, and even a form of concrete and a plastic composite that can be used to build houses and even used in car doors. Hemp was one of the most important crops in the early history of this nation, and even the U.S. Navy depended on it for sails, canvas, and ropes. Today, the North American hemp market is valued to be $400 million in retail sales and growing at about 10% per year. All this despite the fact that 100% of the raw materials need to be imported from outside of the United States. The Northwest Crops and Soil team is hoping to develop a hemp research and outreach program with the goal of better understanding the soil health and ecological benefits from hemp, and to develop guidelines on sustainable production practices. Our hemp program will work hand in hand with farmers to determine the best ways to grow organic hemp in our region, including proper variety selection, soil fertility management, and weed, insect, and disease management strategies.
It's unfortunate that the USDA does not yet provide funding for hemp research. Therefore, we need to seek funds outside of our traditional channels. To get this hemp research program up and running, we're trying to raise $15,000. Please join us in making the Northeast a leading region in hemp production, and help us strengthen the agricultural landscape with your contribution today. Thank you.